Hello student, now we are going to solve a C program. It is very simple program. Actually, we want to learn total C programming language step by step in a easy way. C program 6, problem number 6. Our program is write a C program to find the area and volume of a sphere of given radius. First, write the comments line. This is the comments line or title of the program. For a good program, we write comments line. It is a good style of a program written, but it is not compulsory. It is optional. It is not executive statement. No affect the program. We write comment line in this manner: backslash, asterisk, program to find area and volume of a sphere, asterisk, backslash. We write this in your own language. Okay. Now, first we add two header file stdio.h and conio.h, conio.h. Hatch include within bracket stdio.h, hatch include within bracket conio.h. Here all these are small data. Okay. For normal program, we always add these two header file. Okay. As per program requirement, we add others header file. If required in program, then we add other header file. Okay. Here we always maintain a proforma or structure for writing any C program. Void main, empty pair of parentheses, this is void main. Write void main is the main function of C program. We can also write only main function. We also write only main function. Next, this is the block begins, this is the block end, and in between block begin and end we write function and statement. Okay, here three variables are radius of sphere, volume of sphere, area of sphere. Let R, volume and area are float variable. These are float variable. Float variable means floating point or real number has decimal part. Okay, we declare three floating variable: float, 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 R, comma, volume, comma, area, this is semicolon. In end of the line, this is semicolon. Here these are small letter. Next, CLR SCR function. CLR SCR function clear the screen. Okay, after run the program, output shows from first line of the screen. Okay, now printf within bracket quotation \n enter radius of the sphere equal to quotation end bracket end semicolon. Here printf function only display this message. Printf function only display this message within quotation. This sentence only display. \n create new line when display this message. Okay, scanf within bracket within double quotation %f comma ampersand r bracket end semicolon. By scanf function we can input value of variable r from keyboard when run the program. Scanf bracket within quotation %f this is format string. For floating variable we use %f. For integer variable we use %d. Okay, here this symbol ampersand represent memory address. this represent memory address. Okay, now we write the formula for volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the formula of volume. Formula of surface area of sphere 4 pi r square. Okay, we write the formula. Volume is a variable equal to 4. This is 4. In this position, asterisk into pi equal to 3.14. This is 4 asterisk 3.14 RQ. RQ means asterisk into R asterisk R asterisk R, next slash 3. Okay, this is C expression. This is algebraic expression. This is C expression. Now area variable equal to area formula 4 pi r square. We write in C 4 asterisk means into value of pi 3.14 asterisk R asterisk R semicolon. Okay, now we find the output. Printf within bracket in same line, it will be in the same line. Again printf within bracket quotation begin backslash n, the volume equal to percentage 0.2f and the area equal to percentage 0.2f quotation end comma volume variable comma area variable bracket end semicolon. Here printf function is used for display the value of variable volume variable and area variable, which is calculated from this formula. Okay, here this create new line when display in output, and this line up to this line and this line when run the program, first display this sentence, and next result will be shown in this place. result will be shown in this place. Percentage 0.2f. This is the format string 0.2f for float variable percentage f, for integer variable percentage d. 0.2 means this 0.2 means for display float value of variable volume and area. Format print, which is the format 0.2f, number of decimal digit. After decimal there are two digit. It display 2 digit after decimal point. Okay. At the end we always use getCha function. After run the program, getCha function hold the output on the screen. Okay. Next, bracket end. Now we run the program. First we type the program without any mistake. Check comma and semicolon in all line, end of the all line, and also there is no space between any word. If percentage f there is a space, it not run. First we compile the program. If any mistake show error, then correct the program. Next, run the program. Click on project, click on compile. Here compile status error, total error 0. If there is any error, we again correct this program, then again compile and run. Now our status of compile is 0. Click on OK. Next, click on debug. Click on run. Okay. Here in printf statement we enter radius of the sphere, scanf percentage f ampersand r. Now we enter the value of radius. Enter radius of the sphere. We type radius 20. Next, enter. Here result volume equal to 3349.33. 0.33 for 2 decimal, it show up to 2 decimal, and area equal to 5024.00. Okay, then again we run the program, debug, click on run status 0, enter radius of sphere. Now radius of sphere 8, then enter. The volume equal to 2143.57, radius of the sphere 8. The result is volume equal to 2143.57 and the area equal to 803.84. It is display 0.2 decimal 84 up to 2 decimal. Okay, it is clear, my student. Thank you.